How we doing, folks? Back at so out in the woods. Got a, as you can see, got a brew already. Sitting in the shorts. It's not even that sunny today, to be honest, but we're out. Just gonna be a wee short one. Right, I'm gonna do a bit of cooking tonight. It's out in the woods. It's like both Peter this. That's what we prepared earlier. Right, so I'm just gonna make that out, right? But basically everything's all ready. So tonight, Matthew, we're going to cook an omelette. Not just any omelette. Right? A wee bit of fried potato, some chilli, some onion, some garlic, some diced sausage, a wee bit of salt and pepper. Ooh la la. So I'm going to get the wee onetigris wood burning stove on, and then we'll get this cooked up. Don't go away. Right, let's get the stove lit. So take a wee fire lighter, pine cones, twigs. Nice easy one, that's right. So I've got that wee egg holder. So I've got 3 eggs. Right, I've already stuck some salt, some pepper, and this wee, I don't know what you call it, this wee tub. So I'm going to crack 3 eggs into that. Uno. Duzzo. Trezzo. Right, 3 eggs. And then I'm going to chuck in the chilies. So I'm chucking the chilies first. The garlic. Chuck in the onion. And we'll chuck the sausage in as well, will we? I just hope there's enough room in this. Should be fine. But the trick is with this, what I'll do, I'll fry the potato first. Right, but I just need to basically stick like that in a tub like that. Give it a shake round about, do the shaking back, put the freshness back. Right, so that's the kind of omelette mix, and then with the potato, fry the potato off first, and then pour all that on the top, and they'll be good to go. Pan wise, you know I've got the Petromax SP32. I love this pan, you probably all know, I always get this pan out cooking, it really is. But I could recommend any pan for campfire cooking. It's a Petromax, fantastic back kit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to chuck in a bit of Filippo Berrio, I think that's how you pronounce it, extra virgin olive oil. So nice wee bit of oil, we'll stick that, top of the wood burning stove, we'll start cooking. Stick that on there, let that heat up. Once that's heated up a bit, we'll get oh, it's smoked right here. We'll get the potato in first, we'll fry that off, so don't go away. Like I say, potato in, sizzle-tastic, a wee bit of onion left there as well, chuck that in as well. Right, potatoes are coming along just nicely. Right folks, golden brown, texture like sun. Right, now we're going to stick in the concoction. Got just basically eggs, sausage, chillies, onion, garlic. And hopefully that should turn out not too shabby. Right folks, that looks no bad to eat. Oh, tremendous. So let's see what it tastes like. Nice easy one this. Anybody could make it. Right, it's just basically eggs, sausage, onion, garlic, bit of chilli, bit of salt, pepper. Very nice indeed. I like a wee bit of chilli on mine. I also think gives that nice wee kind of kick. Don't know about anybody else. Comment below, do you like chillies? Good thing about an omelette as well, you can chuck anything into it. Well, that's just me. You can chuck anything. Well, I chuck anything into an omelette. But very nice, especially with the fried potato. And the trick to that fried potato is dice it nice and small. That way it cooks through, you don't get any kind of hard bits of potato, nothing worse than that. Almost like mini chips. But that underneath the egg, the sausage, the garlic, the chilli, the onion, the salt and pepper. Very nice indeed. Anyway, I'll eat this, then bring you back. We'll get a brew on. Stay tuned. Lovely. Right, let's get a brew on. Brew time. Lovely. Brew time and a few chocolate digestives. While I'm on, just want to do a wee thanks to, I can't remember everybody's name, Robert Scott. He donated 20 quid. Stuck 20 quid in the PayPal for more adventures, buy more food, more vino. So big thanks to Robert. Sarah, shout out for Sarah. Sorry Sarah, I can't mind your second name off the top of my head. She donated some money as well. I'm sure there was another Robert as well, donated some money. So there's been 2 or 3 folk have stuck some money into the PayPal thing. So I know I've not done any live shows or anything like that lately. But if anybody does want to donate any money, helps me get out, and do this. Helps pay for the food, the wine, my addiction to chocolate digestives. But you don't have to donate if you don't want. I'm just glad folk watch this. I don't know if the cooking and the quick ones are quite popular. The gear reviews, I just do them as kind of filler videos. Some folk like to watch them, some folk don't. But I think folk, well, I think folk like the camping videos the best. Well, that's the ones I enjoy doing the best. I just love getting out in the middle of nowhere. But I've got a few things planned. Let's see, got Aaron trip. I've got another trip planned in the boat. And who knows where else. I'm going to try and go a couple of different places this year. Kind of new spots. Kayak camp. That's one I definitely want to do. And it'll be a lot of flotilla this year. Because that's me, I've got a kayak. Stuart's got a kayak, Bugsy's got a kayak, Johnny's got a kayak. I'll do the odd trip out in that boat that you've seen me in as well. That was good, that was really good. And obviously it's got an outboard, so there's no effort involved. Makes it even better. But saying that, I do like going out my kayak. That's good. So whether or not that'll be a river camp or we'll go to a loch, I don't know yet. Anyway, that's it. So you got video in the woods. So thanks for tuning in everybody. Thanks for watching. Don't mind, give it a wee thumbs up. Leave a wee comment below as well if you want. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell for future notifications. We'll catch you in the next one. Adios.